I guess you're right, Plankton. I am just a kid.
Of course I'm right. Okay, Neptune, time to kill.
And you know, I've been through a lot in the past 6 days, 5 minutes, 27.5 seconds. And if I've learned anything during that time, it's that you are who you are.
That's right. Okay, Neptune.
And no amount of mermaid magic or managerial promotion or some other third thing can make me anything more than what I really am inside. A kid.
That's great. Now get back against the wall.
But that's okay!
What? What's going on?
'Cause I did what everyone said a kid couldn't do. I made it to Shell City, and I beat the Cyclops, and I rode the Hasselhoff, and I brought the crown back!
All right, we get the point.
So yeah, I'm a kid, and I'm also a goofball, and a wingnut, and a knucklehead McSpagatron!
What's going on here?
But most of all, I'm...
Hey, settle down.
I'm...
Take it easy. What the scallop?
I'm a goofy goober!
You're a goofy goober.
We're all goofy goobers! Goofy, goofy, goober, goober! Put your toys away! Well, all I gotta say when you tell me not to pass in the way! No way, no, freaking way! I'm a kid, you say. When you say I'm a kid, I say it again! And then I say thank you very much! So if you're thinking that you'd like to be like me, go ahead and try. The kid inside will set you free! I'm a goofy goober!
Oh, what's happening? Huh? His dance moves are impressive, but I'm in control. Stay here.
I'm free! I've been free!
What? My precious helmet! These cops are too righteous! The helmets can't handle this level of rock and roll! Harry, do something! Harry? All right, that's the last straw! Neptune, I command you!
Here you go, Daddy.
Hey, you better get out of here.
Look, it's the wizard who saved us.
Out of my way, fool!